So this is the way you can send crypto from one chain to another chain. For example, you have some Ethereum on Arbitrum or Base or Blast. For example, I will use the Arbitrum network, and this is the Avulto platform, Avulto bridge. There are many more basically features that I will talk about. But first is the bridge, the main feature, which is bridging. For example, I have 0.04 Arbitrum in my wallet, and I want to send it to Base network. What I will do, I will just enter, for example, 0.02 Arbitrum, and you just press send. Switch to Arbitrum 1. And here you can see confirm and send. It will take around 30 seconds. The bridge fee is free. And I will earn 225 points, which will go to my airdrop, basically for my airdrop points. So you can basically bridge and collect points for the upcoming Avulto airdrop. So I just press confirm and send. I accept the transaction. So I have to sign in my MetaMask as well. That's what I will do. Here you can see the fee is $0, so the bridging is really, really cheap. And here you can see the transaction is processing. It will basically send in 30 or 20 to 30 seconds. And here it is. It just sent my Arbitrum, my Ethereum from Arbitrum to Base. And here you can see I got some extra points for bridging. These will go to my airdrop points. So, and the best part is that you can basically bridge from Ethereum-based networks, Ethereum layer 2s. You can even bridge from Solana, from Starknet, from Bitcoin. Here you can see there are many Bitcoin networks, layer 2s, EVM networks. Yeah, these are even Polygon, Mantle, basically non-Ethereum chains. So what you do, for example, you have some Bitcoin. What you do, you go on the main Bitcoin network. If you want to get your Bitcoin from Bitcoin to Ethereum without going to centralized exchanges, what you want to do, for example, you have some Bitcoin, and here you can see the networks where you can bridge them. You can bridge to X layer, which is OKX network. You can basically bridge to BNB chain and all of these others, but I would use the one with smallest fees, not the Ethereum. So you basically can bridge your Bitcoin to BNB chain. So what you want to do, you will want to swap this Bitcoin from BNB chain to Ethereum on PancakeSwap. And after you swap your Bitcoin to Ethereum on BNB chain, you can basically use the Ethereum. For example, you have the Ethereum on BNB. And here are all the platforms where you can bridge your Ethereum. So that's how you get from Bitcoin to Ethereum on any chain without going to centralized exchanges, because centralized exchanges are really slow and you get many limits. The best part about this Avulto platform is that there are no limits and it's really fast. That's why I'm using it myself almost daily. And the second alpha about this tool is that you are basically qualifying for an airdrop after you do some bridges. Right here you can see rewards. Here you see basically if you bridge more than 3 times, you will get a 1.1x multiplier. More than 10 bridges, 1.2x multiplier, and so on. I have done more than 100 bridges, so my multiplier right here, you can see, is 1.5x. And here you can see, for example, if you want to bridge from Arbitrum to Linea, you will get at around 200 to 400 points per bridge. So if you want to get more points and collect bigger airdrop, you will want to do as many bridges as possible. And yeah, so that's basically it for this video. If you want to bridge from any network to any layer 2 or vice versa, you can use this tool. The link is in my description. Check it out. And if you don't want to miss any upcoming crypto, airdrop, and NFT alpha, I have my Patreon channel in the description as well, where I post daily alpha, and all the crypto opportunities that I research and I find, I post it straight on my Patreon. Only after that, I post it on my YouTube. So if you don't want to miss any upcoming alpha, press that subscribe, press that like, join my Patreon, only $5 a month, and thanks for watching.